Hi, I'm just going to show you real quick how to copy and paste a picture, a graph or table or whatever. You're just going to hit Command, Shift, and 4 at the same time. I'm going to do that in a second. Command, Shift, and 4. And then it's going to give you this. You're going to cut it, and then it's over here. I'm going to go back to my, and it said solve the equation. Okay, and then up here, you're gonna go right here. Where am I? Right here, it says picture. And then you're going to click on it. And this is going to be on my desktop because that's where I have my screenshots. And I'm going to pick the most recent one. I'm going to open it, and it's just going to throw it right in there. And there it is. And it is the whole picture. So if I say OK, then the whole thing is in there. Solve the equation with that. And then I would put my choices. If you already did it and you need to go back, you can just edit it. So I hope that helps you guys. Thank you for your help very, very, very much.